Satyamai, welcome you to Shitij. Sunny, welcome you to Shitij 2020. The lead cast of Jackpot. Make some noise for Shari Thakur from Shari Toshi. Come on! We have them here and we're not going to let them go so easily. We need to call somebody for Shitij. We need to thank them for being here. Thank you so much, each one of you being here. We're not going to let you go like that. It's not going to be so easy. So whom should I ask the first question to? Mithibai? This is not going to end so soon.
मीठीबाई कॉलेज में आया हूँ और हमेशा आता हूँ, जो भी मेरी फिल्म आती है उसको प्रमोट करने के लिए आता हूँ। Crowd, come on, make some noise! सारी लड़कियाँ बॉर्नविटा पी के आई हैं, लड़कों कहाँ तुम लोग? Super, super, super.
Shari bhai, welcome you to Shitij 2013 India College. पूछना चाहूँगा आपसे, इतने सारे concerts, इतने सारे गाने, how is Jackpot a little bit different?
See, Jackpot is a very special to us, both of us. As Toshi is not here, I came alone. And when Sachin sir called us for the song, it was a pleasure to work with him. And after hearing more than 40 songs, more than 40, he selected this one. And I'm very glad that I worked with him. And I want to work with him again and again in the future.
I'm so happy you all are here. It's such a great sight to see everybody supporting Jackpot, and I really hope you love the movie because हमने बहुत मेहनत की है इस movie के लिए, so I hope you enjoy.
We're going to let the crowd settle down a bit. They're very, very excited, just like me. I'm going to move on to the director. Can we have him? He is so excited. He is taking pictures in his phone. Make some noise for the director of Jackpot. Kaisad, ladies and gentlemen. So, we have Sachin bhai, we have Sharif, we have Sunny. There's someone who's missing. First, I want to ask you, how was it working with him? Nasir bhai.
Fantastic. Nasir bhai ka kya keh sakte hum? Amazing actor, so versatile, so talented, so unpredictable. You never know what kya karne wala hai. Every time the camera rolls, you never really know what you're going to get. Very, very, very interesting to work with someone like Nasir bhai. One of my favorites.
Jackpot, how is it different from other films?
Jackpot is a wild ride. You guys at Mithibai, you're gonna love it. If you like a ride, you want a movie with fun, pure entertainment, Sunny Leone, Sachin Joshi, you're gonna love Jackpot. So let me hear you say it, Jackpot.
Thank you so much for being here. It's going to be a ride, as you said. It is going to be a ride, and I'm so sure about it. I wanted to know, how was it directing Sunny and Sachin bhai as a pair, as a couple in the movie?
Fantastic. Really fantastic. Really fantastic. It was a pleasure working with both of them every single day. It was great, great fun on set. Lots of humor. This guy is really mad. He kept us on our toes all the time. And Sunny, of course, I mean, you know, what can you say? Just look at her. You don't have to say anything.
सर ये क्वेश्चन मैं डायरेक्टर से पूछ सकता हूँ, ये बाहर से आई है, बॉलीवुड में हम बहुत ही वार्म वेलकम देते हैं सबको, इनका एटीट्यूड कैसा है? इज इट लाइक हॉलीवुड स्टार्स या फिर बॉलीवुड डाउन टू अर्थ एकदम? इज शी लाइक वेरी वेरी सूदिंग, इट्स इजी टू वर्क विद हर, और वो हॉलीवुड वाले टैंट्रम्स होते हैं?
This one is the easiest person I've had to work with so far. Actually, really very, very easy. Very local.
Other than giving you a heart attack every other day, falling over something, or crashing into everything.
Sunny is Calamity Jane, that's the other name we have for her. You give her a flat piece of land, she'll find a way to fall over it. But she's fantastic, great fun, great fun.
I was going to ask you that, कि पूरी फिल्म हिंदी में बनी है, हिंदी इनकी first language नहीं है, we all know that. So, was it difficult for you to shoot with her when it was Hindi dialogues? How was it? How did you go about that?
Maihuna, Maithana. Hindi is my first language. तो सिखाया, बहुत सिखाया. जितनी भी हिंदी बोल रही है पिक्चर में मैंने सिखाया है. So please, if you don't like it, don't blame her, blame me for it.
The Jackpot releasing on 13th December. Any message that you want to leave with to the Mirabai College about Jackpot?
13, 12, 13, आप सबका लगेगा Jackpot. Come and see it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kairat sir. Make some noise for the director of the movie Jackpot. Come on, Mirabai! Now before I move on to somebody very, very special present here.
तुम्हारी जुल्फ का जूड़ा बना लो मेरी तरह. मैंने जो जूड़ा बांधा हुआ है, तुम्हारी जुल्फ का जूड़ा बना लो. ये काले नाग कैसे झूमते हैं, बजाकर बीन ले जाए ना कोई, सपेरे मीठी बाई की गलियों में घूमते हैं.
Right here in Mirabai College, make some noise for Jackpot! Wow. Do you know what this is? These are the poker chips, of course. Can we have the official music launch by Sachin Joshi, Sunny, Shariv and the director himself, Kairat bhai? Can we have a big round of applause? This is a moment in the making. The music launch of Jackpot officially done in Mirabai in Kshitij 2013. No, start listening to you. You have to put a coin in, Sunny. You have to put a coin in. Alright, it's very simple. Please tell me, when is Jackpot releasing?
13, 12, 13.
And this is the first time Sachin Joshi has spoken on mic. Can we have some noise for Sachin Joshi?
Hello everyone, but let me ask him, one of the Mirabai guys, let me ask him, आप Google कर रहे थे या आप YouTube कर रहे थे?
Alright.
Very bad, very bad, very bad.
Can we have a CD for him? The CD, earn it. Thank you so much. Yes, we can do all that quickly. Take the CD. You don't want the CD now.
3, 2, 1. दिखाओ जल्दी photograph.
We have somebody who's been waiting very, very patiently. Please tell us your name now.
Thank you. My name Satya Prakash Naresh Haryani.
बाकी सारे कहाँ हैं? Music launch and free t-shirts and free CDs.
Thank you so much.
I feel great. Do you guys feel great?
तो मैंने ये रूमर सुनी है, अफवाह सुनी है, हकीकत सुनी है, कहीं पढ़ा हुआ है कि आपकी जो मूवी है जैकपॉट, उसमें से एक गाना है, गाने का नाम तो मैं बताऊंगा नहीं फिलहाल, लेकिन कुछ सेंसर बोर्ड का कुछ झोल है, कुछ कर रहे हो लोग, ये क्या है सर? एक आपको कौन करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, कौन करने का कोशिश कर रहा है, ये क्या हो रहा है?
देखिए, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, मैं आप लोगों को एक चीज बताना चाहूंगा कि ये जबरदस्ती मुझे इंस्टिगेट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। यू नो, ये मुझे बताना चाह रहे हैं केपो कांड हो रहा है फिल्म के गाने के साथ। सर, मैं एक चीज आपको बताना चाहूंगा, ये फिल्म में एक गाना है, ये फिल्म में एक गाना है जिसका नाम है एग्जैक्टली। लेकिन अब आपने ये सवाल मुझे पूछा है, यू नो, आई एम नॉट लाइकिंग इट एट ऑल, ओके, बिकॉज इट्स अ लिटिल सेंसिटिव इशू फॉर मी। लेकिन फिर भी, now that you've asked me the question, I would like to answer it to all of you. But before I answer the question, I want to know one thing from all of you. क्या हमारा देश सही में आजाद हुआ है? Tell me, is our country independent? Exactly. My point here, that everybody feels the same, and this is the future of the country. Our country is still not independent. Why? Because today in the morning, I was sitting at my house, and one of the people calls me up and tells me कि आपके फिल्म में गाना है जो सेंसर ने बैन कर दिया।
बैन कर दिया है?
हाँ, बैन कर दिया। अब मैंने कहा क्यों? Why have this banned my song? क्या गलत है उसमें? Because we are addressing the true shining India in that song. The true shining India, के इंडिया, हिंदुस्तान की सच्चाई क्या है? I love my country. I love my country India and I am crazy about it and I will do anything for it. But मैंने चूज किया है कि मैं स्लेवरी नहीं एक्सेप्ट करूंगा. My country is independent and now you guys should decide. You guys should decide whether I'm saying the right thing, and I told them that I will still release the song and my country will decide whether this song should be banned or not. Okay, we all gonna sing. I'm gonna sing one line and you sing the other one. Are we on for it? Are we on, मेरे भाई? Okay, चलो. Once again. मेरा भारत है महान. यार मैं क स्कूल में नहीं गा रहा हूँ. Let's sing it again. चलो, sing it with me. मेरा भारत है महान. फिर भी सब है परेशान. कैसा पावर ही पहचान,
जोर लगाओ, जोर
है सब बिकता यहाँ। Thank you so much,
All right.
everyone. Thank you.
Sachin bhai, Sunny, Sharif, Kehzad, thank you for being here with us. All right, Ayush, please do the honors again. We have it for the director. Clap your hands, Mithil bhai.
आज मिस मत करना, पर 13 दिसंबर को जैकपॉट देखने जरूर जाना।
No, actually miss your class and go see Jackpot. Love you, bye.
Thank you so much. The press would need, this is for the media, my friends. The one-on-one interviews are going to be in the Santokba Hall, but before that, it's going to be the picture. So Sunny, Sharif, Sachin, Kehzad, the press picture.
मैंने जैसे आपको कहा कि मैं कानून की रिस्पेक्ट करता हूँ, उसी बहाने मैं आपको एक चीज़ बताना चाहूँगा। मैंने ये गाना प्ले किया है एज अ क्रिएटिव टैलेंट। मेरे पास कहीं पे भी रिटन कोई मना या बैन का या ऐसा कोई भी मुझे लेटर नहीं आया है, लेकिन जो रिस्पॉन्स ऑफ द लेटर ऑफ द कफ मुझे जो मिला है आज सुबह 3:30 बजे, मैं उसके आधार पे आपको बोल रहा हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे ये गाना ज़रूरी था कि मैं इसको सेंसर कराऊँ और टीवी पे रिलीज़ करूँ। तो जो मुझे अनऑफिशियल उनकी तरफ से कमेंट मिला है उस पर मैं रिएक्ट कर रहा हूँ। अगर वो चाहें बिल्कुल बैन कर सकते हैं, उनका प्रेरोगेटिव है, आई विल रिस्पेक्ट दैट, बट एज अ फ्री इंडियन मुझे कंटेस्ट करने का पूरा राइट है।
I don't know if I'm targeted. Again, it's a censor board's job to see what's fit for television, what's fit for cinema, what's fit for young adults to watch. This is a movie that's not a certificate movie, so they have to be really careful on what the subject matter is, and it's really, that's their job. But at the same token, I don't think there's anything in this movie that requires censorship. It's a very nice, family movie that everybody can watch and see.
आप मेरे ख्याल से आप बेहतर बता पाएंगे कि मतलब शायद मैं समझता हूँ मेरी किस्मत में लड़ झगड़ के ही आगे बढ़ने की लिखी हुई है। शायद मेरी किस्मत में लिखा हुआ है कि आसानी से कुछ नहीं मिलना है, ना सक्सेस ना कुछ भी जो मिलना है। तो जैसा ऑडियंस समझे, मैं तो यही समझूंगा कि मैं अपनी मेहनत करता हूँ, मैं अपना काम करता हूँ।
going to do this in a huge way, and we have to thank so many people, especially the faculty of your college. Give it up for the faculty of your university. Come on! All the professors have been so supportive. It's insane to be here. The management team of the college, students of the college, getting it out. It's awesome. I thank you all for doing this in a short span. This is yours, does it? So, as soon as you're ready, we're going to do this. But I need to know something. How many